All right, whenever you thought that the unboxings couldn't get any crazier, just when you thought that the iPhone 13 unboxing in the sky wasn't going to be enough, we're unboxing the new iPad Air in the middle of the snow. I can't even barely feel my hands on how cold I am. I don't know why I'm doing this, but all I'm asking from you is for you to drop a like on this video. We've got the Apple Pencil 2 Magic Keyboard and the brand new iPad Air, first exclusive look for all of you. So let's go ahead and actually open up the box. I can't even. I think I got the new blue, if I'm not mistaken. I can't even. Here we go. This is the new iPad Air with the M1 chip with center stage with a bunch of awesome features, which we're gonna check out in just a second. Let's unbox the Apple Pencil really quick because yes, it's compatible with the Apple Pencil 2. I'm so cold right now. Okay. And here we go, same Apple Pencil 2, and this is an essential to an iPad. The Magic Keyboard, it comes in white, and this white is so freaking beautiful. And I mean, in this beautiful scenery, how can this get any more beautiful than this? Come on, buddy, I'm cold. Okay. Magic Keyboard, this is the 11-inch version. And once again, I mean, this keyboard is an essential part of my iPad. I mean, you've got a trackpad, you've got excellent keys, you've got protection. Take note, this keyboard does tend to get pretty dirty, but nevertheless, it is so freaking beautiful and so aesthetic. You've got a USB-C port on the actual keyboard itself, like this. The cable is nice and steady. That's the Magic Keyboard, and that is the Apple Pencil. Let's go ahead and check out the king of the unboxing, the new iPad Air. All right, this is the new iPad Air with the M1 chip. The color is actually called just blue. So yeah, 256 gigabytes. We got Touch ID. We don't get a 120 hertz display. We do not get Face ID. That's for the iPad Pro models. I'm very excited to see this blue, actually. Very excited. There we go. There we go. This is the new iPad Air unboxed in the middle of nowhere. Before I show you though, before I show you what's in the box, we got to check it out. We got the Designed by Apple in California paperwork. We got to show the Apple stickers. It's a tradition here in the channel for me to show you the Apple stickers. Come on. Don't. There we go. There we go. Here are the famous Apple stickers. And yeah, also I forgot to mention, but iPad Air now has 5G. We got a power brick and a USB-C cable like always. Okay, the moment of truth. The moment that we've all been waiting for. The one and only, the new M1 iPad Air here in the middle of the snow. And wow, I'm surprised. I was kind of skeptical about this new color, but this is nice. This is a nice color. I'm a bigger fan of Starlight. There's a bunch of new beautiful colors, but wow, this is a nice iPad. My current iPad of choice is the iPad mini because it simply fits in my pocket. It is definitely my favorite iPad of choice. So here's a quick comparison with the iPad mini. You can now get the iPad mini, the iPad Air, and the bigger, larger 12.9-inch iPad Pro. So that is my unboxing of the iPad Air. Click right here to watch my review where I will probably be warmer than what I am right now. So tap this right here. I want to finish this unboxing right now.